Connection of cells. Okay, n identical cell, each of EMF is E, internal resistance is smaller, they are connected in series with external resistance capital R. Then all of them is connected in series, effective EMF value, one cell EMF is E, two cells 2E, 3E, like this way, n cells in E. All of them is connected in series, effective resistance will be R plus 2R plus 3R up to NR by current is total EMF by total resistance, NE by NR plus R. So here, for example, what is that? Here small r is greater than capital R. Internal resistance is much greater than the external resistance. Then current is capital R we can neglect, I is equal to E by R, means one cell current. Small r is less than capital R, I is equal to NE divided by capital R. So small internal resistance cells are joined in series, then we will get maximum current. So this is condition for maximum current, right? Then parallel connection of cells. So identical cells, each of EMF is E and internal resistance are connected with a external resistance. So here each cell EMF is equal to what is that? E, identical. So effective EMF is equal to one cell EMF E, effective resistance is 1 by R, 2 by R, 3 by R, like this way, N by R. Effective resistance is R by N. Okay, current equation NE by R plus NR. Then small r is greater than capital R, I is equal to here capital R it is neglected, NE divided by small r. Small r is less than capital R, I is equal to E by capital R. So internal resistance is what is that? More. Cells are connected in parallel, then we will get large current. So this is condition. Wrong connection of cells. For example, n cells are connected in what is that? Okay, series. Here m cells are connected in wrongly. Okay, total n cells, in that m cells are connected wrongly, means opposite terminals are connected with each other. This is minus and minus, right? So plus plus, right? So here due to this connection, first cell will be what is that? Damages this cell. Why? Because current is in opposite direction, hence cancel. Next, due to the second wrong connection of cell, second cell will be get into damage. So therefore NE means total EMF minus wrong connection. If one cell is connected wrongly, that connected cell and before cell get into damage. So that's why what is it? Two cells are get into damage. For one cell is connection in wrong, then two cells are get into damage. Therefore N minus of 2M into E. Okay, so effective resistance is NR, current is N minus of 2M into E by NR plus capital R, right? Electrical work or electrical energy. When current is flowing through a resistor wire, the heat is evaluated across this resistor. So evolution of this heat across the resistor, it is directly proportional to what is it? Square of the current. Q is directly proportional to R, resistor resistance. Then Q is directly proportional to time. Therefore Q is equal to I square into R into T. This Q is called electrical work or electrical energy measured in joule, right? Electrical energy formula is electric energy, right? So V is equal to IR. From this, what is it? I into R place we can substitute I into V into T, right? Next, Q is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. We can substitute V square by R into T. So these are the electrical energy formulas. In terms of current resistance, in terms of current and voltage, voltage and resistance. Next, okay. So power, electric power. Electrical power means rate of electrical work. It is called, what is it? Electrical power. Electrical power Q is equal to I square into R into T divided by T get cancelled. I square into R. P is equal to Q by T. Therefore, I into V into T divided by T get cancelled. V into I. Then P is equal to Vi. Next, P is equal to what is that? V square by R into T divided by T get cancelled. V square divided by R. So these are electrical power formulas. Next, here units joule, here units watts. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 10 to the power of 3 watts. Watt hour. Okay. So 10 to the power of 3 into 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes into 60 seconds. Okay. So 36 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. This is kilowatt hour value. Right. Next, full addition. Plus sum of currents entering into junction, it is equal to sum of current leaving from the junction. So otherwise algebraic sum of currents at junction is 0. So this is Kirchhoff current law. I3 is equal to I1 plus I2. Kirchhoff voltage law. So net EMF is equal to sum of potential drop across the resistors. This is I1 or I into R1 plus I into R2. So Western bridge circuit is 4 resistors. They are connected in this quadrilateral form. Total current entering into junction is I divided into two parts I1 I2 and here I3 and I4. Current through galvanometer is Ig. So condition for balancing of Western bridge, if no current is flowing through galvanometer, therefore P by Q is equal R by S. Okay. Meter bridge. Meter bridge is useful to calculate the, what is it? Unknown wire resistance, left gap resistance. Here left gap is resistance R, next right gap resistance is S. First balancing length is L1, next balancing length is 100 minus of L1. Okay, or 100 minus of L. Next, potentiometer, it is a device used to measure this, what is it? Potential difference. Okay, battery EMF accurately. So current through this potentiometer formula, total EMF by total resistance, internal resistance, series resistance and resistance of the circuit, capital R. Then potential drop on the manganese wire formula, V is equal IR. I value is substituted here. R is nothing but resistance of the manganese wire. So rho into L, resistance per unit length into length. Potential drop on the manganese wire is directly proportional to balancing length. Uses of this potentiometer wire is, what is it? To comparison of EMF of two cells and next internal resistance of the cell. Direct formulas, E1 by E2 is equal to L1 by L2 and internal resistance of the cell determination formula, capital R into L1 minus L2 by L2. L1 first balancing length, L2 second balancing length. Okay.